So my name is Rebecca, and my main reason for coming to Executive Express Chiropractic was for back pain. It started off with childbirth and got progressively worse from me having to hold a toddler and twist my body weirdly. After coming here, I feel a lot better. The whole staff was great from the beginning. You walk in and the reception was great, and once you get your warm-up, you can automatically feel the difference instantly. I feel that my lifestyle was affected just from the pain, and the sleeping was probably just a little bit of a challenge as well. I think that with the treatment and continuing to keep the maintenance on it will definitely enhance just being able to move and everyday activities. So definitely the icing after, if you feel that you need it, it helped me at least. I feel a lot better now from my visits from coming here. So I feel that I should keep going, and I found them on Yelp, so you can definitely check reviews too, and they're great. So come and see them, Executive Express Chiropractic.